From Jamaica to Mexico to America.
Elisha.
Ignorant. Me no want no more clothes. Me no want one thing me want from you. And it's just a crux in my daughter foot. Me no want nothing else. But when you call them, I tell us I want clothes. I me no want no more ear. Me just want one crux in my daughter. Next move, me want you do for me. Me want you take me a foreign. Me want you take me a foreign. Me want you take me, Daddy. Me a beg you in a real life. Me a beg you do one thing for me. Just take me a foreign. Every day you talk about say, me a go take you a foreign, you know. But every day you da Jamaica in a war. I hear that Jamaica in a cuss. I hear that Jamaica in a this. Sister, you wouldn't even know because you left Jamaica long time. You don't know what go on down here, sir. Them hate me for nothing. Them hate me for no reason. Them just hate me. For the day I 10 fake page, what them a girl find time to make fake page for me? What them a girl find time to make for me? Me honestly, and sometimes you hear me a cuss, I hear the pan sister, every minute you're going to Jamaica, you're in. Sometimes you're ignorant, you know what I said, not to come a yard, come give me. Because every time you say me and people, and things, people hate me, naturally hate me. Naturally hate me. I'm going to tell you, say, I just to uno they are foreign. Me no want that Jamaica put myself in a no more trouble because I realize how much money I spend for me when me da jail one year and try to take me out. Me don't want there so no more. Me don't want there so no more. Me I beg you, please. Me make sure I beg you for my life. Me don't want no more clothes. Me don't want nothing. And if I send clothes come to Jamaica, honestly, me not taking it. Me not take it. Me don't want no more clothes to me. I'ma pick them. Cause them ignorant for me and them. Me want come a foreign now. Take me now. Me not break no more war. Your sister, me not fight again. Me not cuss again. Me not cuss with nobody. You tell me say. Just go out myself and me pick them and post my food them and post myself and post my house and me tell us that me I do. I'm not burn no more war. Me I beg you now. Just take me a foreign now, make me come up. You not feel a waste of me alone that Jamaica. Me tired of yesterday, girl. If them a girl can find out 10 fake page because babies. Baby, and I guess you know, them want get me ignorant. Them want me and them for inner things and them want me come on social media every day come cause I'm in a cussing. The way I'm in a cussing with them, the fake page that call me. Do Johnny only even understand bad mind active out there some more than anything in the world. Tired, me now watch the crowd. Me now watch the crowd, girl. Sometimes when you see what do you sometimes some people see me I do some status. Me not want the good people them feel like I them me I do nothing for. Sometimes the amount of fake page that text me just have to deal with them. Sometimes I want video myself and shit and show them say this is uno, nyam shit. And sometimes I just how me stay. Me just want to get ignorant for them. Sometimes I just have to hold it like a G. Me tired of tell them say, my dad Jamaica, I'm a hold my own, whether I'm hungry or not, I hold my own. When I'm ready, them text me, oh, me a sad girl, me not a friend. Hey, what do you want me to do? Walk up and down pan road and walk with 100 girl? Walk with 40 girl for sure say what? Me have friend, me have crowd. Me I walk a win crowd. Me I walk a win kids. I'm a breeder, so I win babies. Me not see in a real life. In a real life, me not see what me do people. Me have to really look at myself what them gyal get out of this. A full time now. Me no know the amount of fake page will notify as me post a story. As me post a story and them underneath me something. Cause a man in time. as me do on live, a fake page. Not even real people not over here. Like fake page. You know how much fake page me black already? 2. Well for them phone and notify. Me beautiful in a real life. You want me sell on some of my eyebrow? You don't want me sell on some of my ear? What do you want me sell on? Me I go some of, cause I want to ear, you know? You know, see the man them no want to know. Me tell you some one man. You can't get the man putting on us. Una we don't want to bring me down. You want me pick up all crosses, throw down for going to something up on Instagram. You just want me go to the road, pick up a man, and the man a beat me and butter abuse me. I want to see that over Instagram. You just a try. For me, you see, I'm not going to nothing. No. I'm not going to nothing. Come on, be happy, girl. What do you know? Diane, just, may I beg you, please? May I beg you, a laba, please? And spoons take me up. Me not turn down no more. And you know do something for me? I bet you I make on a spear. You remember what your bank account run for liar fee? Yeah. I saw your bank account I run this time again. Cause somebody I got trouble me and somebody got want in a things with me. And me now go turn up and make nobody lick me. Cause me go stab them blood clot and kill them down at this. Me go hold on upon them and broke my knife in them neck. Anyhow them ramp with me. So please, me I beg you. Do back the filing for me. I'm sorry for what I do 2020. I could have do it in a better way and walk out of it. And me I beg you for my life. Do back over my filing, please. You say you put in it, but you're not putting it back. Me I beg you put in it back. Me I beg you put in it back. With all of my heart and my mind, I'm picking them with your love. Just do it. Me not put myself in no more trouble down here. But you see, I have to hurry up and take me car, you see? Down here, sir. It'll get from bad to rest. I'm not going to take nobody at this, my picking them. Because them sisters, I'm not answer them. So them come too hard to my kids them now. I'm not going to take it no more. And them coming like them ignorant for me, that them want to come a foreign and come across the border. When I can't come back to Jamaica, I want to come back to Jamaica for the system is still about. Me want to pop up in our face. Because if we don't eat me, I want to make you know say, red lobster is mine. I tired of catch crayfish down in a river with fan blade. So I want to go a red lobster foreign now. For make you see what time it is. And for all of the good people them over here, sir, all me I beg you know, just pray for me and change my sister them mind of foreign. Just pray for me and make my sister them mind change of foreign. Make them take me a foreign. I want to know just all who are Christian them over here, sir. I want to do some turbo fasting for me. Some good fast. Take off them clothes off your line. Take them khaki there off your line. The sun upon them.
Where you got me drop?
Me eat the dog, you see. Like you know want me stay home and wash my clothes them. You know want me stay home and take care of my kids them. You just what do you want me do? You say me look all. What do you want me go do my breast and my body for changing that